Alright, everybody, here's part 2 of the great unboxing on Sunday morning. Right, buddy?
Yeah, what's next?
Well, let's see. This is package number 4. Should we see what's inside?
Yeah.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a feeling it might be some more wind-up toys. Oh my goodness, how many are in there?
3 of them.
Wow. That one's ready to go, huh? So that one.
What's next? Dad.
Package number 5. Got some Christmas tape on the outside, doesn't it? Careful with that knife, buddy. Going for. She's always trying to cut away from you, so. Okay. What do we have in here? Got a clown?
Yeah.
What the heck is he doing?
He was just doing his ball trick.
I see. He's sitting down, isn't he?
Let's unbox the last packet.
Probably have to take the labels off so they work right, huh?
What's the last one?
Package number 6. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's in there. Holy moly. How many are in this one?
There are 3 of them.
Alright. Bunny Rabbit. Space Dude. Got a frog?
Yeah. Thank you for watching for our video. And we're gonna film these wind-up toys.
Alright. Thanks for watching. The end.